What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Walk Away as the Door Slams, the acoustic version from Everybody's Everything by Lil Peep and Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that wow. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I will DDT your ass, and that's just straight facts. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, I'm gonna start this video off by just being straight up honest. I have no idea if this is the exact thing that they're playing in the song, so sue me. But it is really close. I don't know if they're using like an alternate tuning or just weird chords that I just can't make out, but this is about as close as I can get to it right now. And if I do find the exact way that they're playing it that is 100% correct, I'll make a new video on that later on down the road and I'll show you exactly how they're playing it. But for now, drop D standard tuning, which is everything in standard, and then drop your low E string down to a D note, and then capo up to the 2nd fret. There's two different parts to this song. It's verse and chorus. The verses are the same and the choruses are the same, and then the song just goes verse, chorus, verse, chorus. For the verses, you're starting off with an A chord, which is 0-0-2-2-2-0. And then all you're doing for the next chord is just adding your index finger onto 2 on the low D string, which makes it 2-0-2-2-2-0. So you're here. And then you do that twice. Your strumming pattern is going to stay the same. It's going to be down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Goes twice. Then you're going to let's see, 4, 4, 4, 6. Just those 4 strings. They're strumming it, and they're also like picking just 1, 2, 3, 4 E or low D, A, D, G. So you can do that, or you can strum it with the down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. Either way, it's totally up to you. But it's there, and then it goes back to the 2-0-2-2-2-0 chord. And again, they're picking it, but also I think there's another guitar strumming it. The only difference here is when you get here, right at the end of the strumming pattern, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, you take that pinky off to where your G string is open. So from here, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the last down, up, take that pinky off. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you're going to take that index finger off and go back to the original A chord, which is 0-0-2-2-2-0. And then the same thing here, you're strumming it or picking it, and on the last down, up, take that pinky off. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then it hits the chorus. So let me show you all that very slowly from the top. So from the beginning, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Switch. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that last A chord goes for 2 full measures. So again, all together. if you're picking it, like I said, that goes 4 times, picking the A, E, or low D, A, D, G, 4 times, picking all 4 of them. Then go here and it does the same thing. Except on the 4th time, take that pinky out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to the A. And you're going 8 times with the 8th one being when you take the pinky off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's if you want to pick it. So I'm going to play it a couple times all the way through just strumming it. This is going to hurt your fingers. My fingers are hurting already. It is going to hurt your fingers, but I'm going to play through it a couple times with the strumming so that way you can see exactly what it looks like all together. So starting from the top. Jumps into the chorus. So again. Okay, so practice that as many times as you need to. Once you get that down, then we'll cover the chorus. So the chorus is going to start with, it's like an A7. It's in this tuning, I don't really know what you would actually call it, but it's 0, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. And I guess you can play the low E. 0, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. That's the first chord. Then it goes back to the same chord here, the 4, 4, 4, 6. Then it goes back to the A, the 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. And then quickly before it starts over, it goes to, you're gonna go 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 6. Or 5. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5. So you're basically barring the 2nd fret and then putting your pinky on the B string on the 5th fret. So again, first chord, 2nd chord, 3rd chord, 4th chord. Strumming pattern stays the same. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But then you stay on this chord, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then switch, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then it starts all over. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.